Hi, this week's video is on planning your assessment. Ideally, try and plan ahead and give yourself plenty of time to write your assignment. The starting point of any assessment is obviously to understand what you're being asked to do. Make sure you know what type of assignment is needed. Are you going to write an essay, or is it a report or series of short answers? And also, very importantly, check the word limit and keep to it. In a lot of cases, you're given 10% leeway either side, but you need to double check that this is the case with your tutor. Next, we need to understand what the question is actually asking. This is referred to as unpacking the question. Questions can be broken down into directive and topic phrases or words. Directive words are those which provide the scope or draw boundaries to limit your discussion, such as assess this, critically evaluate such and such, and discuss. Topic words describe a topic or subject and can be used to design a research strategy. And limit words are those which tell you which specific part of a topic can be discussed. By way of an example, let's look at a question from one of my recent units. To what extent is Australia's federal tradition open to influence from economics and ideology? The directive words are to what extent is, the topic is Australia's federal tradition, and the focus or limit is open to influence from economics and ideology. The next step in the process is to begin reflecting on the topic. Ask questions that will help you to describe or define your topic, giving background or contextual information. These questions will give you an idea of where to start your research. More information on research strategies is available in another video in this series. Remember to read the marking criteria and unit outcomes, which will give you more direction as to what to expect and what you should include in your assessment. Whilst you're researching and after, you should reflect on the question again. How does the literature help you to address your question? The literature provides background information on the topic. It will answer the where, what, when, and who questions. Using my previous example, we should aim to use our research to explain what is meant by economics or ideology, discuss the nature and history of Australia's federal government, and give information about major political parties, past and present PMs. The literature would also provide evidence to support a position and answers the how or why questions you've developed. For example, does it provide evidence about how the economy influences government, or why the economy and ideology could influence government? Remember again, always refer to your question and your marking criteria to make sure that you're on the right track. Brainstorming or concept mapping can be a great way to begin planning your essay. Create a basic map on your computer, something a little like this in Word, or there is actually some software out there that you can use. Or you can put your ideas on sticky notes that can be reordered later. Concentrate on a word or a concept and think of any related points that may come to mind. While you're researching, you should be thinking about the argument you're trying to make. Do the research materials provide adequate support or explanation for the position? Do you have the evidence that you need? And what are the key points or issues needed to develop your argument? Once we have a basic plan for our assignment, we can start looking at writing and structuring our work. This will be dealt with in a separate video. Please take a look at the video blog and answer any questions or add some comments there. Thank you.